Have destroyed your skin enough, so let's work hard on healing it and give it the care that it deserves. So, it firstly comes to dark circles. Some girls are struggling with dark circles, so you can do a simple method to fix it. Take a bowl and pour some water and ice and dip your face around 10 to 20 minutes. This method is help to remove your dark circles. There you can see a product by my choice. This product is super good for your skin. You can use it for 15 days. It shows your result very quickly. Next one is acne. Some girls are also struggling with acne, so take an ice and scrub it for 10 to 20 minutes in a day. Do this for 3 to 4 times in a day. I personally do this method and it not feel disgusting anyway. It show your result very quickly. And there's a product for you. You can use it for 15 days and per day use it for 2 times to clean your face with this and it show your result very quickly. And the third one is glass skin. Usually on Instagram and YouTube, you can see many methods to introduce it. I will show you a simple remedy for a much better glowing skin. So, take a 1 or 2 spoon of rice water, some tomato juice and 1 spoon of honey and a half spoon of milk. Mix it well and apply it every day before the bath you take and use this product for a gentle skin. I made a short for this product, so check it and it made by 70% of rice water. Use it for 30 days and I also use this product personally. And the last one is tinted lips. So many girls are struggling with dry lips. So I will tell you a simple trick with this. Take a Vaseline and take a favorite lipstick of you and pour it in a small container. So you can use this product. I personally use this and it will not get my lips dry and damage it. I personally recommend this for you. So that's for all this video. Take care and bye. And all the products linked in my description.